First, you must choose an email service provider. There's a wide array of options available, from Gmail and Outlook to Yahoo Mail and many others. Each one has its own unique features, so it's worth doing a little research to decide which one suits your needs best. Once you've decided on a provider, navigate to their website. Here, look for a button or link that says Sign Up or Create Account. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that button to proceed. You will then be directed to a registration form. This is where you'll need to provide some personal information. Typically, you'll be asked for your full name, desired email address, and a password. Some providers may also ask for additional details such as your phone number or date of birth. The next step is to choose an email address. This will usually follow the format of your username at provider.com. It's important to choose a username that's not only unique, but also easy for you to remember. Once you've chosen your email address, it's time to set a password. To ensure the security of your account, choose a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your password, some providers may require you to verify your account. This could involve clicking on a verification link sent to another email address or entering a code sent to your phone number. Now comes the final step before you can start using your new email account. You'll need to read through the terms of service and privacy policy of the email provider. If you're comfortable with these terms, agree to them. And there you have it. Once you've filled out all the required information and completed the verification steps, your email account is ready to go. You can now log in and start sending and receiving emails. Remember, it's crucial to keep your login credentials secure. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. With this in place, even if someone manages to get your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. Creating an email account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Happy emailing!